What's up, babes? Alright. Hey guys, and welcome to another video.
I'm your girl Tanisha and
Sheldon.
yes.
Sheldon, awesomeness. Sheldon, awesome. Sheldon, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Shaw family. We're chilling with the Shaw family.
It's been a while, guys.
6 days. Just 6 days, guys. We took a 60. Well, it's not that we took a break, but we were busy and we took some time. But
Yes.
we are back.
We miss you guys. We're here.
Once again, guys. And
We want to welcome all new subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Thanks for joining us, and remember to like the video and leave a comment so we can know you're here with us. Okay?
yes, guys. And as you see in the title below, we are going to be talking about Mr. Les. We are going to go through 15 motivational quotes by Les Brown. Yes, guys, we feel that these quotes may have some impact on your lives, and that is one of the reasons why we are going through it. For us, Les Brown has had some positive impact on our lives over the years, and we just want to share this with you guys. Okay?
Yes.
So, let's go.
The first one is
Alright, guys, so the first one, and it is on the screen. Do what is easy, and your life will be hard. Do what is hard,
and your life will be
become
easy.
Yes, I came across this quote probably about 2 years ago, and it kind of just
Say it again.
if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. If you do what is hard, your life will be easy.
Okay.
Just think about it,
Makes
guys.
sense.
Look at what's going on in your lives right now, and just think about this particular quote from Mr. Les Brown.
Most people do what is easy,
Yeah, easy things are normally, it's always easy to take on the easier stuff, but sometimes they don't really give the big rewards.
Only a few people do what is hard.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right now we are making every effort to do that. The other one, guys, is when your why is big enough, you will find your how.
When your why is big enough, you will find your how.
Yes.
Okay.
Profound one, guys. We are not going to spend the time to go in details, guys, but you can do some more research on these and apply your own meanings to them. Okay?
So know why you're doing it, and then the how. You'll figure it out along the way. Right? So the next one is you got to be hungry.
People,
You got to be, not literally, but you got to be extremely hungry for what is it you're going after.
listen, if you want something out of life, you can't just say you want it. You have to demand it.
Yes, you have to be aggressive.
Be
Go for
aggressive
it.
about it, guys. Go for it.
Yes.
For all you content creators on YouTube right now, you say you want to reach 1,000 subscribers, guys, listen, you have to demand it. You have to be aggressive about it. You have to go for it. You can't just wish it. You have to put into actions.
Go for it.
Alright
Go
then.
for it.
Alright then.
Go for it. Eh.
Alright, so far we're giving you 3, guys. The other one is the greatest revenge is massive success. Mr. Les Brown again, guys.
The greatest revenge is massive success.
Massive success, guys. Think on that one. As we say, we might get carried away by explaining some of them and giving some examples, but we want you to go and just do your research. Check out Les Brown. We can assure you that there is something in his life story that will motivate you, that will impact you in a very positive light. Yes, guys, check him out. Other one is, you are the only real obstacle in your path to fulfilling it.
You are the only real obstacle in your path to fulfilling it. Okay, so you are actually your obstacle in your own path to fulfilling your dreams and goals.
Amen.
Yes. You, you.
Yes, guys. Another one is, no matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I am going to make it.
Wow.
No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets,
I am going to make it.
Yes, guys.
Just keep on trying, keep on doing it.
Don't give up.
Doing it. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
It was Les Brown that said, oh, you got greatness within you.
Yeah, Mr. Les Brown, guys, in our brain, I tell you. The next one, guys, is, if you take responsibility for yourself, you will develop a hunger to accomplish your dreams. Yes, don't rely on somebody else, okay, to take responsibility of your life. It's your life, take responsibility of it, guys.
Right.
And this is another one by Mr. Les Brown again, and he's telling us something here. He's saying that the easiest thing I ever did was to earn $1 million. The hardest thing I ever did, and it took years, was believing I was capable of earning $1 million.
Wow.
It's all in the mind, guys. Get your mind right. Get your mind right, guys. Get your mind right.
Yep. So number 9, as you reach your goals, set new ones. That is how you grow and become a more powerful person. So
You hear
when
that,
you
guys?
reach your goal, you set new ones. You don't just get comfortable, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Always be setting new goals, guys. Always be setting new goals.
And the next one is, help others achieve their dreams, and you will achieve yours.
Yes, guys. We have heard this from many other people along our journey.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes we kind of get selfish and just think about just with self alone, but the greats have said it.
The more you help others achieve what they want, the more you achieve what you want in the process.
Mr. Les Brown, guys. Mr. Les Brown. Another one by Mr. Les Brown is, you will win if you don't quit.
Wow! I ain't no quitter.
Listen, guys. You will win
if you don't quit. Yes.
So just keep at it, guys. Keep at it. Another one by Mr. Les Brown, guys. You cannot expect to achieve new goals or move beyond your present circumstances unless you change.
Okay. So you definitely have to change.
Yeah, change is sometimes one of the hardest things, guys. But a lot of times it is necessary. It is necessary to become great. Another powerful one from Mr. Les Brown, guys.
So the next one is, when life knocks you down, try to land on your back. Because if you can look up, you can get up. Let your reason get you back up. Right? If you can look up, you can get up.
Mr. Les Brown, guys. Mr. Les Brown. He has some really good quotes where, you know, in the morning when you get up, guys, if you were to just let this be some of your brain food before you go out, I tell you, wonders.
read them to yourself and just tell yourself.
Yeah. Another one, guys. Forgive yourself for your faults and your mistakes and move on. Forgive yourself for your faults and your mistakes and move on. Don't get stuck. We're humans, we are prone to errors, guys, so don't dwell on them. Just forgive yourself and move on. Another one by Mr. Les Brown. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears.
What are you fearful of?
What fear is holding you back right now, guys? What fear is holding you back?
Let go of fear.
Let go of fear and live your dreams.
You can if you believe.
And that's number 15, guys. So it's the start. It's the start of a new week. So go into that week believing in yourself, telling yourself that you can do it. You're awesome. You're great.
Yep. You have greatness within you.
Yes, guys, and just check out Les Brown. Just go on the internet, type in Les Brown. Go on YouTube, type in Les Brown. Yes, guys. So that was our 15 motivational quotes by Les Brown. If you have any other speaker that has impacted your lives, leave a comment in the section below. Tell us about him.
Thank you so much for listening to us, guys. I hope you like this video. Please leave a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Please share with a friend. And just invite a friend to our channel. Thank you so much.
Yes, guys, and all the best for the week. Go and be awesome.
Peace
out.
out.